When you search for halogen headlight bulbs, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Termiter Upgraded H11 9005 Combo. The Termiter Upgraded H11 9005 light bulbs combo caught my eye with its impressive specs and the promise of an ultra-bright driving experience. All for about $59.99. If you want a serious boost in visibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These bulbs deliver a staggering 120,000 lumens of light at a cool 6,500 K temperature, giving you a clear view even in the darkest conditions. The glare-free focus ensures you won't blind oncoming drivers, which is crucial for safe night driving. Plus, they fit perfectly into your existing setup without any modifications, thanks to their 1:1 mini size. With over 2,100 reviews and a solid 4.5 star rating, many drivers are reaping the benefits of safer travels. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky for some vehicles. Here's the thing though, while it might not fit every model perfectly, the majority find it easy and quick to install without any fuss. So if you're driving a standard vehicle, you'll likely be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a significant upgrade in brightness and safety during night drives. Skip this one if you have an older vehicle that requires more specialized bulbs. But for the price, the value is hard to beat. Product number 2, Franksy 9005/HB 3H11/H8 Combo. Next up is the Franksy 9005/HB 3H11/H8 Light Bulbs Combo, which really stands out at just $38.97. If you're looking for brightness without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. These bulbs pump out 32,000 lumens of light, giving you a bright 6,000 K cool white that improves your nighttime visibility significantly. The 1:1 design makes installation a breeze, letting you plug and play without any additional drivers or connectors. With a 4.6 star rating from over 2,200 reviewers, many users have praised the clarity and safety they provide on the road. Here's why this matters for you. Better visibility means you can react faster to dangers like potholes or pedestrians, especially when driving in poorly lit areas. However, some buyers pointed out that very sensitive vehicles might require an additional canvas decoder. But honestly, most people won't run into this issue, and the customer support team is really helpful if you do. This is an excellent choice if you want a reliable bulb that won't give you headaches during installation. Skip this one if your vehicle's compatibility is on the stricter side, but at this price, it's a great deal for most. Product number 3, Ursprung Latest Gen H11/H9/H8 bulbs. Then there's the Ursprung Latest Gen H11/H9/H8 light bulbs, priced at $28.79. If you want something that combines brightness and longevity, you should really consider this one. These bulbs are something else. They deliver an incredible 96,000 lumens with a cool white 6,500 K light. That's like turning night into day. The focused safety beam pattern means you won't blind other drivers while still lighting up your path ahead. They fit perfectly into your existing setup, and the installation literally takes just about 3 minutes. With a solid 4.6 star rating from 1,000 reviews, users are thrilled about the enhanced clarity. However, some people mentioned that the brightness can be overwhelming in certain situations. But here's the thing. If you're often driving in very dark areas, this brightness is actually a boon because it reveals hazards you might otherwise miss. This is perfect for you if you drive in rural or poorly lit areas and want to see everything clearly. Skip it if you prefer a milder light output, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic investment. Product number 4, Termiter Latest H49003 Fog Light. Next, let's talk about the Termiter Latest H49003 Fog Light bulb, which retails for $39.96. If foggy weather is your nemesis, you'll want to pay attention to this. With a brightness of 50,000 lumens, This bulb offers a bright 6500K daylight white light that goes a long way in cutting through fog and rain. It fits perfectly into the housing without needing any adapters, and installation is straightforward. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, many users rave about how effective these are in tough weather conditions. However, a few users reported that they weren't as durable as expected. Here's my take. While they might not last as long as some pricier options, the visibility they provide in fog is incredible and worth the trade-off if you drive in those conditions often. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive in foggy or rainy conditions. Skip this if you want something more long-lasting, but for the price, they're quite effective. Product number 5. Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision Bulbs. Lastly, we have the Sylvania 9006 Extra Vision Halogen Headlight Bulb, priced at $26.95. If you want a trusted brand with a solid reputation, this is a great option. These bulbs have been designed for more down-road visibility without adding glare, which is essential for safe driving. The robust filament design enhances durability, and with a 4.5-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, it's clear that many drivers appreciate their reliability. The Extra Vision's brightness makes it easier to see obstacles down the road, which can help you react quicker. However, a couple of users noted that the bulbs dim over time and should ideally be replaced in pairs. Here's the thing though, if you're replacing both at once, you'll maintain optimal performance, which makes it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, brand-name bulb that delivers consistent performance. Skip this if you don't want to deal with replacing in pairs, but honestly, the value here is solid. So, to recap, we've got the Termiter upgraded combo for brightness and installation ease, the Franksy for budget-conscious buyers, the Ursprung for maximum illumination, the Termiter H4 for those foggy drives, and the Sylvania for trusted reliability. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you and make your choice.